everybody and welcome to our home in the country. Well, it's a motorhome to be precise, and isn't it lovely? And we cook inside and outside. Well, today we're going to be cooking outside. Now stay tuned to this video because you're going to be totally amazed at what happened. I was amazed, everybody was amazed, it was brilliant. So yeah, stay tuned in and you'll see. So there's Hastings Beach in the distance there that we're going to walk to.
Oh dear, he's going to eat well tonight. Nice fish dinner.
I'm not sure you'll be able to do anything with my video, but I've never seen it.
Look at all those fish.
I know, it's amazing. There's people just going in with big bags and...
Look at those poor little fish been chased out of the sea by the hungry mackerel. Flipping about they are. So, here's our motorhome. I'll just show you a quick view walking around. It's a beautiful day today. In fact, we've had a lot of beautiful days lately. Must be this global warming, I think. This is our external gas point that we fitted. It's brilliant. You just push in and turn, connects, gas comes through, and then there's another connector on the other end that just pops into the barbecue. Just push it in and then you've got gas. Just a quick light and away we go. Now these are the fish that we picked off of the beach. Well, I've got to give the credit to my wife really. She was picking up the fish and I was just putting them in my bag. This is just a really nice little starter before our main course. WhiteBait. I love WhiteBait. First we're going to give it some seasoning. Bit of salt and pepper. Now I know a lot of you are going to say, well, you should have flour on there as well. Well, we should have had flour on there as well, but unfortunately we didn't have any, so it's just going to be salt and pepper seasoning, I'm afraid. Then into a hot pan. We just pop that little guy in just to test it. Yeah, that's hot enough. In we go with the rest. And these are going to take about 5 minutes, that's all. You'll soon tell them whether they're cooked. Give those a little stir around. We've just got a little drop of olive oil in there. Don't need much really. Just leave them to go a little bit crispy. Obviously with flour on they go very crispy, but they're good enough. Time to serve up. A little wedge of lemon on the side. We'll just sprinkle that over, give it a little squeeze. I love this outside life, this outside cooking, it's great. There we go. Now to tuck in. Best part of the day. Starting to lose the light a little bit. Cheers everybody. Happy holidays. Yeah, tasting good. That didn't last long. Yep, thank you very much. So thanks for watching this latest video of mine, and it's at this point I normally say please try this recipe for yourself, but in this case I don't think you can. In fact, I don't think I'd be able to do it again. Please like, subscribe and share, and hope you enjoyed it. I've enjoyed doing it, that's for sure. See you again next time. Bye.